Okay, finally, thank you so much. If you people can see me, hear me, please let me know in the chat section. Okay, Manas, hi. Babita Sharma, hi. Thank you so much for bearing with me. Sarvesh, hi. Afan, hi. I'm so sorry that there was a little bit of inconvenience for you people. You people kept waiting since almost at 15 minutes now. Santosh Vani sir, hi sir, thank you. Thanks for joining. So I'll just wait for another 2 3 minutes. I'll just wait for another 2 3 minutes so that everyone from that particular links come to this particular link, and I'll beg their sorry for this inconvenience caused. Okay, Piyush Ghate, hi. Manish Raithata, Sheetal, Vivek Dengre, Samar, Sakshi Chole, Yash Mari. Good to see you all. Mayura Dhumal, Parth Unrao, hi Parth. Utkarsh Khamkar, hi Utkarsh. My old students are there. I'm feeling very happy to see you all. All these challenging tasks actually has been done only for my ex-students, or otherwise it would have been very much easy for me to connect on this particular Zoom session only. But I wanted to see all my old students coming and uh, interacting with me on this particular session. Hi Dinesh, hi Kushi, hi Dia, okay, hi Usha, hi Yash, Aditya, Aditya Boginini, Anvesha, Gayatri, Prashant Sarveo, Vanshi Sir, Mayuri Kamble, Siddhi Bajpai, thanks Siddhi, Gayatri is there. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm feeling blessed that hi Ria Jacob, good to see you. Thanks for your good wishes. Prerna Chavan is there. Vivek, Vivek Sapriya, Prasanna and Chaitanya is there. Thank you so much, Prasanna. Swami is there. Gopal Jadhav sir, thank you so much. You people took these efforts, and this was a activity planned at a very short moment. I just discussed with a couple of my buddies in the afternoon that what to do. I am getting calls from all over, uh, from my students, from my teachers, from my family members. Everyone has played a very keen role, very important role in shaping my life. Whatever I am today in front of you, it's not only because of me, it's the contribution of many individuals. So I wanted to uh, give my heartfelt gratitude to you people. Okay. Hi Neil. Hi Misbah. Hi Arpit. Arpit, my dear friend. Pooja Sutar. Prasad Jagtap is there. Harshal Chavan, one of my favorite. Ranvijay. Thanks Ranvijay. Ninab. All right. So I think most of you all are there, and almost 100 people, close to 100 people watching. Okay, with your blessings, I crossed the mark of 100 subscribers today, and I would request you all that each one from your family member, please subscribe to this channel. And the reason I will let you know soon. Hi Sujit, hi Pushkar, hi Gayatri. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So I hope if I have missed anyone's name, I'm sorry for that. Okay, I know the list is going to be a never ending. There are people who may not be in a position to join this particular session, but they are always with us. They are always with the family of Atul Tutorials, and everyone was wanting that all teachers come on this particular platform, and I was in a position, or I would have been in a position to show their glimpse, their faces to you all, so that you would have been very happy. Each year, there are certain things which Atul Tutorials follows as a religion. Okay, Atul Tutorials in itself follows a set of rules. I can say as a religion part. Okay, like we believe in nationalism, we believe in humanity. Okay, we we believe in being gratitude towards our parents, towards our elders, towards our teachers. Okay, so it's not an easy uh, part that anybody can come and become a part of Atul tutorials. We definitely stick to certain set of rules, and everyone knows about it. What kind of uh, skill set or rules that we need to follow when we are a part of Atul tutorials. Let it be, may it be students, teachers, or parents for that matter. Okay, hi Divya, hi Bharat. All right. Fine. So I maybe you people might be surprised to see me dressed like this, but I wanted to make this occasion a very special occasion. Never in my life uh, on the uh, Teachers' Day in the classes, I have never dressed up like this, but I felt that I will be seeing many people, or I will be reading many people after so long, and they should feel special about me. Okay, कि अतुल सर आज इतने अच्छे कपड़ों में आए हैं, and he is looking very nice and he is telling some good words to us. So I wanted to make this particular session a very interesting, and uh, I wanted to express gratitude to you all. Okay, so I'll begin in a short. I'm feeling short of words, and it's quite obvious that it's the first YouTube live session. More than 100 people watching is like a dream. Okay. Hi Samir. Hi Sujata. All right. So I'll start with a formal thing that uh, joining my hands. First of all, uh, thank you so much, my dear parents, because of whom I am standing in front of you. Okay, and I thank to my family members, my sisters, my brothers. Okay, I express my gratitude to my wife, my kids. I express my gratitude to all the social reformers, because of whom, because of whom the education doors were made open to the common people. Okay, Teachers Day. We remember today's Teachers Day because of S. Radhakrishnan sir. Okay, but to add to his fraternity, I would not miss Mahatma Jyotiba Phule and Savitribai Phule, who who went through so much of difficulties, so much of struggles in their life to give this, what I can say, to to give this education, to make this education open for all, and it all happened in the Pune city, okay, which is we call it as the Pune शिक्षणाचं माहेर घर आहे, है ना? So and in this particular Pune city, the education was not open for all. Okay, so we should never forget Mahatma Jyotiba Phule and Savitribai Phule on Guru Purnima as well as Teachers Day. Without taking their name, it's just impossible to imagine, okay, how we can celebrate Teachers Day or the Guru Purnima. Okay, so I can see a lot many ex students joining over here. So this particular YouTube activity was carried out for those people only because they maybe they were not in a position to join the Zoom session, and maybe the family members would have also not joined the Zoom session. So YouTube is open for everyone, and this memorable moment will be recorded. This will stay there for lifetime on this particular channel. Okay, so this was an effort made, and initially we faced some difficulties, but uh, I hope this is going smooth now. Okay, so what message and what I wanted to talk with you people? It's really difficult, as you people know. I don't prepare for the speech. Whatever comes to my mind spontaneously, I try to express it. Okay, there are my close subordinates who always keep on asking me, okay, sir, have you prepared? Have you made some notes? What are you going to talk? But ultimately, it is Atul, and I always talk from my heart. Okay, and whatever comes to me straight from the heart, I express it in front of you. So I will have a few piece of advice definitely as an address, okay, as a sermon to you people, okay, to my students basically, okay. uh, that one piece of advice that I would like to give you is that, my dear students, you people are uh, having a lot of respect for me, my team members today. Okay, so I would like to tell you today that Atul sir was not Atul sir 10 years back. Okay, he was a very common person, very common individual in his own life, struggling to make a career, and gone through a lot of difficulties in his own life. Okay, and I feel that the person who has seen all those ups and downs in his life, he he can actually feel the pain of students who are struggling with their careers. Okay, and he can be the one person who can guide them in the right direction. Maybe I'm wrong for some people, but then I feel that way, that you have to see struggle in your life. Okay, you have to see struggle in your life. Unless and until you have gone through all those particular struggle, you don't understand what is life. So for take example, today's situation. Okay, in last 8 years, this is the first time that I have not met a single student. Okay, not a single teacher. I visited my class definitely. I prayed there for everyone's wellness. Okay, but uh, but I was not able to uh, conduct that session over there, okay, due to the restrictions put on by the government. Otherwise, I am sure if students would have known that Atul sir is available in classes, they would have definitely joined me over there. Okay, so to avoid that, okay, I'm conducting this session from my home, and you can see this is the board behind me. Now this is the classroom for me, and it is an uh, online zamana now, online phase now, that everyone has come online. And I was speaking to one of my students that earlier I used to scold my students, don't use mobile phones. Okay, don't use mobile phones, don't use YouTube, don't use uh, Instagram, Facebook, and all. But ultimately now we have been left with no option, but we have to come online. Okay, so the times are changing, and we need to mold ourselves in that particular way so that we do not stay behind the uh, world. Okay, so I'm sure people, students are laughing, Utkarsh is laughing, and even Afan is laughing. Alright. So I can understand, my dear students, what through what you people are going there. There was a chat I saw yesterday only when government put restriction on PUBG. Very funny videos came from the media, and it was it was it was quite surprising that people were really crying. Okay, they were crying that they do not want to PUBG to go out of their life. Okay, PUBG had become their life. Okay, PUBG had become their life. It was closer to them than anybody else in their life. Okay, many a times I would like to share this. If parents are listening, let it be. But many a times in online classes, we have seen that uh, some students used to start. Okay, PUBG का ये status है, वो status है, and all those things. Understood? So YouTube is not receiving. I hope I am audible. Okay. So this was really funny. I mean, this was so funny that we were like helpless what to do with this kind of technology, wherein it has advantages as well as disadvantages. Okay. So with this particular thing, I would like to share one small thought with you people, my dear students, and everyone. It is applicable to everyone that we become what we think. Okay, we become what we think. Now I can say that I always address this in my counseling sessions also, that human mind, okay, human mind is the unexplored continent on the earth, on the in this particular world. Human mind, okay, it is so vast, it is so vast, you just cannot imagine the strength or the power it is having. Okay, the Wright brothers were considered fool when they said that they want to make aeroplanes which will fly in the sky. Okay, so they were considered as fools. ऐसा कभी हो सकता है क्या कि कोई चीज हवा में उड़ सकती है क्या? Okay, so they were considered fool, but they had this dream in their mind first. Whatever we dream we see in our life, okay, whatever dream, okay, it can be anything. It can be in terms of uh, having a good education, it can be in terms of having a good uh, business, it can be having in terms of good life partner, whatever dreams that we are having. Okay, first the dream plant or the seed of that plant has to be planted in your mind first. Okay, if you don't plant the seed of your dream in your mind, then how it is going to flourish? Many people want to reap benefits like that only. Okay, they want to eat the mangoes directly without waiting or without taking the effort to plant a seed of a mango and wait for 10 years. They don't want, they just want to eat mangoes. Understood? The you imagine, my dear students and the friends, family, that if a farmer, okay, if he has two seeds, one is the seed of a nightshade. Okay, nightshade is a deadly poison, and one is the seed of the mango. Okay, and he plants both the things at the same time. Okay, if he plants both the things at the same time, what happens next is that after couple of months, after couple of years, the nightshade plant starts to grow and the mango plant also starts to grow. He nourishes both the things, he nurtures both the plants. Okay, but ultimately what happens is that the nightshade seed will give you nightshade fruits, which is a poison. The mango seed will give you mango fruits, isn't it? So it depends on us completely what kind of seed we are going to plant in our mind. Okay. So without planting a seed of your proper dream in your mind first, you just cannot get it easy into your life. Okay. Another example I would like to give you, I'll have to share you. It just came to my mind. Like you have sheep. You have seen those ships at the harbor. Okay. Now these particular sheep, out of 1,000 times, out of 1,000 times, how many times do you think it reaches its destination? Out of 1,000 times, how many times it reaches its destination? Comment in the chat box. Comment in the chat box. Let me see what answer you people are giving. Out of 1,000 times, how many times a sheep would reach its destination? Let me see what answers you people are giving. Or how many times the ship will miss its destination? How many times the ship will miss its destination? Okay, comment it. I want to see the answer. Out of 1,000 times, how many times the ship will reach its destination? As per me, that's true. That's true. No, with the captain, crew, everyone on the ship, it would reach 1,000 times, not 600. Sujit, not 600, not Kavi. That's true. Not one time. It would reach almost 1,000 times. It would reach almost 1,000 times unless some calamity or disaster happens in the ocean. Okay, it would reach 1,000 times. Bang on. It would reach. Why? Because they are very clear with the map and the destination and the travel time with what they need to reach over there. Okay, now you imagine. That's true. Thank you so much. Now you imagine, now you imagine a ship at the harbor is let go with its captain sitting at home, with its captain sitting at home and no crew members onto it, only passengers or maybe trainee crew members. What do you think? How many times this ship will reach the destination? How many times this ship will reach its destination when there is no cabin crew, no captain on the ship? Only one, maybe one, or maybe not even one time. Wow, how the ship will reach? No, it will not reach only. Why? Because there is no captain of the ship. Understood? So the point over here is that unless you be the captain of your mind, unless you be the captain of your mind, okay, the mind will go anywhere. It will be a vagabond. Understood? It will be a vagabond. It will do world tour like that only without reaching any particular destination. In a fraction of second, it will reach anywhere. Throughout the day, are you aware how many thoughts comes to our mind? Throughout the day, how many thoughts comes to our mind? Anybody? Can anybody tell how many thoughts comes into a human mind throughout a day? It's more than 10,000 thoughts. It's more than 10,000 thoughts coming to the human mind. Okay, more than lakhs. That's true. That's true. More than lakh thoughts, and this is a psychological research that has been taken, that has been done. Okay, so you understand, my dear students, if you don't have the control over your mind, how you are going to reach your destination. So it's all about mindset. Okay, it's all about mindset. So why I said this particular thing, why I'm talking about mindset today, because everything boils down to this particular mindset only. Okay, you want to become a good son or a daughter to your parents, it should be your mindset. Okay, it should be in your mind that I should not hurt my parents, I want to make them feel good. Okay, if you want to become a good brother or a sister, it should be in your mindset that I should be good with my siblings, I should be good with my elders. Okay, that should be your mindset. Okay, if you want to be good with your teachers, you have to be a good student, it should be your mindset. Most of the students or people or some of my friends, subordinates, family members, they are struggling. Why? Because they do not have proper kind of mindset. Okay, they do not have that proper kind of mindset, and this mindset is restricting them from reaching their dreams. Okay, I do this trial with everyone, like whenever I conduct seminars. Okay, whenever I conduct seminars, I always ask this question to my 10th standard kids. Okay, that even I will ask it now also. If there are 10 standard kids, please mention in the chat box. Please mention in the chat box that how many of you all want to get above 90 percentage in 10th standard. Okay, this is the basic question. I will ask another question which will be applicable to everyone. How many of you all want to get above 90 percentage in your 10th standard? Okay, me. Everyone is writing me. Good. Everyone, those students who are from 8th standard, 9th standard, they can also answer me. Everyone is writing me. Okay. Good. So that is the first step to have a good mindset. Very good. Very good. That's great. Very nice. So that is the first step that we should have, that at least in our mind we should plant that seed that I want to go beyond 90 percentage. Okay, because the 90 percentage is considered as an achievement in 10th standard. You know, a meritorious student. The rest of the students are like average students nowadays. You know, it's not like that. It's not like that. Even an average student like me, I would say openly, okay, can make a good career in his or her life if he or she believes in the right mindset. Okay, so it's great. It's great that everyone is interested in getting above 90 percentage. Okay, time will tell us uh, who achieves, who lags behind. Another important question I would ask over here. Okay, how many parents who are watching now, or how many friends, how many teachers watching now want to become crorepati? Want to become crorepati? Please mention in the chat box how many of you all want to become crorepati. Let me see. Let me see how many people want to become crorepati. Or even students, you can also answer it. I want to see the response. How many of you all want to become crorepati? Yes, me. Afan has raised his hand when I asked this question in the afternoon. He was like, no, sir. So good. You have changed your mindset. Good. Cricket is my life. This is like cricket fan over here. Great. Okay. Now see the basic why I ask this particular questions, my dear children, that every one of us is wanting to become successful in life. Every one of us is wanting to become successful in life, but we have not defined the success. We have not defined to become we have not defined what is success for us, isn't it? We have not defined our dreams. We have not defined our dreams. We want to become successful, but what is becoming successful? We have not defined it yet. Understood? The problem lies over there. Okay, what is my dream? Okay, what is my goal? That has to be defined. Okay, whoever, I mean, there are my ex students also watching it. 5 years from now, what I want to be. Okay, 10 years from now, what I want to be in my life. Even the youngsters, even the teachers teaching with me. Okay, 5 years from now, where do they want to reach in their life? Okay, everyone, everyone has to understand this. What do we want to achieve in life? If we are not clear, if we do not have the clarity of that dream or that goal, we will reach nowhere. And you relate this particular thing to the two stories what I told you, the story of planting a seed and the story of a sheep. Okay, if you relate those two particular stories, then you will understand how important it is to have a dream, to have a goal, to have a right mindset. Okay, that's good. That's good, Sanmit. Everyone should have a goal. Okay, so the basic intention of me coming out or live on this particular day, it was definitely a teacher's day. And we are missing students. Students are missing us. Okay, there are family members who wish us on our teachers day because we being in the profession of teachers. But I would tell you, my dear students and family, I'm not a teacher by qualification. Okay, but I am a teacher by heart. From my very young age, I had this passion that I should guide someone, I should teach someone. Okay, that has been my passion throughout my life. And in my initial career, I was a teacher only. Okay, but due to some ups and downs, I had to go into the corporate career. I was at the peak of my corporate career, but I decided to take a U-turn and follow my passion, which is teaching. This is what I love and enjoy doing. Okay, so thank you so much for coming live. The another announcement what I wanted to make over here is that very soon I'm going to make a very good use of this particular channel. Okay, so those who are watching, those who have not yet subscribed the channel, okay, please subscribe the channel. Everyone from your family might be there might be three email IDs, three mobile phones into your family, but I would request everyone that everyone subscribe to it. It would help me a lot. Okay, and I want to reach the maximum number of students now. Okay, because I have a very fantastic team with me. I love them from the bottom of my heart. Okay, everyone, I would not take name of everyone because taking their names, okay, and it is a big list. Okay, but everyone knows that I love them, they love me. Okay, so those teachers who are there, please mention in the chat box. Please mention in the chat box. Those teachers, can I see who all are watching now? I have a message for teachers also. Teachers, please mention in the chat box if you are watching me. Please. Teachers, if you are there, teachers, if you are there, please mention in the chat box hi so that I can come to know. Hi, Preeti. Okay, Preeti, Rising Online. So, Preeti is one of my favorite. Prakash sir, one of my favorite. Everyone is favorite, but then let me interact with them. Samir, hi Samir. Alok, very, very dear, very close to me. Shubhangi, ma'am, thank you so much. Gopal is there. I want my team to be here with me because I am going to make an announcement. And this is a surprise for everyone. Okay, this is a surprise for everyone. Everyone. The session is going to get completed within 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, I am going to wrap it up. Okay, hi Chetan. Okay, within 5 minutes, the session will get over. Thank you so much. Those who all were happy seeing me live, please mention. Okay, okay, fine. So the important announcement, what I was feeling that we should make use of this digital world. The world has come virtual, okay, and it gives us an opportunity. It gives us an opportunity to reach millions of students, teachers, parents, everyone throughout the world. It gives us to reach out to the millions of people all over the world. Okay, and if you feel that we are eligible, okay, and we are doing good towards the society, towards the mankind, as I mentioned in the Facebook post, okay, we our motto in life, our mission, our vision in life is to take care of the humanity, to nurture humanity, to be kind, to be good, to spread knowledge, to give knowledge, okay, and make this world a beautiful place to live. Okay, that is the ultimate purpose of our life. Okay, just a moment, dear students. Okay, so that is the basic purpose of everyone's life, and so why not make this world a beautiful place to survive for everyone. Okay, so even in these times of corona, we have helped each other, but still there are some underprivileged children who are away from education because of this technology only. Okay, so Atul Tutorials promises you all. Okay, Atul Tutorials promises you all that Atul Tutorials will take necessary steps in coming times that we can make a change in the life of the underprivileged children of of this world. We will start with the local thing, and we would reach out to the maximum people in that particular sense. Okay, and I feel that this we are just teaching physics, chemistry, biology, maths, computer science, English, all those particular language, and even parents are expecting the same thing out of us. Okay, that they want to just consider marking system. They want to just see the result, what their childs are getting. Okay, what their child are getting on the mark sheet. Okay, but today I feel that there is a need that we should teach students some lessons of life also. Okay, we should teach students some lessons of life. If students understands better the lessons of life, he would definitely become a good human being, a good student, a successful individual. Okay, and that is very much required in the coming times. Okay, so we are in the process to launch a digital school. Okay, we are in the process of launching a digital school because going into a formal education kind of thing, it's not my cup of tea as of now. It might take another 2 3 5 years 10 years, I don't know how much time, but but digital school is possible. Digital school is possible. Okay, so making use of the technology, i would like to give I would like to bring some people who are very close associated with me, and we would like to give these lessons of life to the students, because whenever I conducted this kind of sessions and seminars in the auditoriums and all, I used to speak on those particular topics. and parents used to come to me and they used to talk to me saying, अतुल सर प्लीज आप हमारे बच्चों को संस्कार सिखाइए, उनको अच्छा रहने के लिए सिखाइए, उनको रेस्पेक्ट के लिए सिखाइए. But then, my dear students and parents, I do not get get that time in our regular coaching period, because we get only limited time, only 1 or 2 hours of the day. You people come to Atul tutorials and we teach you. But making use of this particular digital platform, I'm sure if I conduct a class anywhere at 9 p.m. or 9:30 p.m. like today, at the comfort of your home, I can definitely guide you on those particular aspects of life, isn't it? And that should not be a problem. And that would help to my ex-students also. Like students, there are students, many students of mine who got admissions into 8th standard and they passed out at the 12th standard. 5 years they spent with us, and I'm sure they felt happy about it. Okay, so what about after 12? Do they don't require the knowledge, caring, sharing at that moment of time? Maybe more. They require it more. Okay, people like Ranvijay, Chinmaya, and all people are watching now. Utkarsh is watching. Okay, many old students are there. So those particular students, do you think they do not require mentorship or guidance through their life ahead? They will require, because I have experienced it. After your 12th standard, you require it a lot. And for those particular people, what we can do is that we can definitely have some kind of learning for them also. Okay, so I'm in the process of having that kind of curriculum and that kind of module wherein we can teach and coach each particular age people. Now there are some parents who have their siblings, their children studying at with us, and their siblings, like someone is into fourth standard, someone is into fifth standard. Okay, and they come to us with their problems कि मेरा बच्चा सर फिफ्थ स्टैंडर्ड में लेकिन पढ़ाई नहीं करता है, सर ऐसा करता है वैसा करता है. तो वी आर लाइक हेल्पलेस बिकॉज वी डोंट कोच दोज पीपल. So even for those students, because we know that the coaching has to happen at the right age. Okay, it has to happen at the raw age. So 8 to 13 years is the right age to train the young minds. Understood? So we are thinking to design a course for these particular kids also. Now, because of this online, even a kid of 7 years is studying online, isn't it? So why not a kid of fifth standard? He or she can study online. Okay, and there I can come to the benefit of my existing parents who requested us कि सर पांचवी से चालू करो, छठवीं से चालू करो. Understood? So for those particular people, I can definitely take this initiative. So I'll come up with this particular concrete idea and platform for you people, and my team might be thinking that we are not aware about all those things, and sir gave this surprise. So I hope my team is with me in this particular venture. Yes, Gopal, thank you. That's true. That's true. So I felt that I was watching Tanaji sir's live few moments back. He mentioned my name. Now Tanaji sir is himself a professor. Okay, he is a PhD student, and still he requires guidance and coaching, isn't it? So there is no age wherein you will not require guidance and coaching. So we are thinking to establish a platform like that wherein we can help you people. Okay, so without taking much of your time, I would thank you all for making yourself available. Once again, I express my gratitude to all the teachers of my life. Okay, I express my gratitude to the family, friends. I express my gratitude to all the students because of whom we are called as teachers. Okay, we will definitely make each other feel proud about ourselves. And with this, uh, I would like to take your leave. If anybody has any question or anything you want to mention in the chat box, I can take one or two questions if you want. Only 5 minutes. It's almost 45 minutes that I am talking now. Okay. So if you want anything from my side, thanks Gopal. So if you want anything, all right. So we will keep meeting online. This was the live session. So it was a really good experience. Okay. You you people made an effort. You people joined. Thank you so much. Where are the other teachers? Let it be. Other teachers are watching online. You have wished them in the Zoom classes. You can wish them on the group. I will pass on your good wishes to them. Okay. I'll pray for them also. They are at different places. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dr. Salve. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Dr. Bajpai is there. Thank you so much. Dr. Bhalerao is there. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay. With this, with this, I say uh, thank you to you all. Thanks for watching me. Keep supporting me. Subscribe our channel.